Welcome to our channel. Step-by-step U-Speed Wi-Fi installation guide at home. Unbox the U-Speed router. Start by opening the U-Speed Wi-Fi box carefully. Take out all the items inside, including the router, antennas, if included, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Attach the antennas properly. If your router has separate antennas, screw them in firmly on both sides of the router. Make sure they are tight and positioned upright for best signal. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the router and then connect it to a nearby electrical socket. Ensure the power supply is stable. Turn on the router, press the power button if your model has one, and wait for the lights on the router to start blinking and then become stable. This means it's booting up. Connect your device to the router. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile or laptop. Find the default U-Speed Wi-Fi network, name usually printed on the back or bottom of the router, and connect to it. Access the router setup page. Open a web browser like Chrome or Firefox. In the address bar, type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, then press Enter to open the router's setup dashboard. Log in using default credentials. Enter the username and password shown on the router sticker, usually it's admin for both. This will give you access to the settings page. Set your Wi-Fi name and password. Go to the wireless settings section. Change the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, to something you like, and create a strong, secure password. Save the settings. Reconnect all your devices. After changing the Wi-Fi name or password, reconnect your phone, laptop, and other devices using the new network details you just created. Test your internet connection. Open any website or app to check if the internet is working smoothly. If everything loads properly, your U-Speed Wi-Fi is now fully set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching.